Hi everyone, I am Vikas Raj. I am here to quote some beautiful quotes of Lord Gautama Buddha. This will help for your life and it will give some positive thinkings in your life. Now I will start about Gautama Buddha's quotes. First one, if you knew what I know about the power of giving, if you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. Then friends, second one, don't love too soon, don't trust too fast, don't judge too soon, don't quit too early, don't expect too high, don't talk too much. Yes, don't talk too much. It is easy to see the faults of others. Very important, friends. It is easy to see the faults of others, but difficult to see one's own faults. Friends, these are 5 steps to our happiness given by Lord Buddha. I think we should follow it. First one, smile more. Second, worry less. Third, be present. Fourth, give more. Fifth, expect less. I repeat, smile more, worry less, be present, give more, expect less. This is one of the important slide. I will quote. Let people judge you according to, let them misunderstand you, let them gossip about you. What they think of you isn't your problem. Their opinions do not pay your bills. So you stay kind, committed to love, and no matter what they do or say, never doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. You keep on shining and let the haters hate. Okay, last sentence. You keep on shining and let the haters hate. It's very wonderful sentence. Then next, friends, another quote. Ego never accepts the truth. Isn't it very truthful? Ego never accepts the truth. Then, it's never too late for a new beginning in your life. It's never too late for a new beginning in your life. Then, no poison can kill a positive thinker. Listen, no poison can kill a positive thinker, and no medicine can save a negative thinker. No medicine can save a negative thinker. Now, friends, it is very important. We should follow this. Ego, we should kill it. Okay? Ego, we should kill it. Love, we should give value to it. Smile, we should keep smile with us. Gossip, we should ignore the gossip. Success, we should achieve the success. Jealousy, we should keep distance from it. Knowledge, we should acquire knowledge. Confidence, we should trust confidence. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters. This is very interesting. The fool who knows he is a fool is that much wiser. The fool who knows he is a fool is that much wiser. If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. Once again, the secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Failure is not this opposite of success, it's part of success. This slide is very beautiful. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Yes, it's absolutely right. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. He has the most who is most content with the least. He has the most who is the most content with the least. Next, friends, no one saves us but ourselves. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Yes, we ourselves must walk the path. With our thoughts, we make the world. This is very important, friends. With our thoughts, we make the world. So, we should keep our mind positively and happily anytime. Anything that makes you weak, physically, mentally, and spiritually, reject it as poison. Once again, anything that makes you weak, physically, mentally, and spiritually, reject it as poison. Now, friends, I would like to end my video. Thank you one and all for watching this video. I think it is very helpful to your life. These are all very important quotes of Lord Buddha, very essential to our life also. So take these quotes as very serious and apply in your life. Thank you all.